Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate assembly that's busted on your GMC Chevrolet pickup with your new one that you've ordered from the manufacturer. I'll show you how to remove it and install the new one. First thing you need to do is open your tailgate. Second thing, once you open your tailgate, you got these two bolts right here, and they're a 1/2 inch. You need to remove those two bolts. Alright guys, once you got those two bolts removed, here's your new tailgate, the cover piece, along with the new tailgate handle assembly. And there is this particular brand part number. Alright, now let me get these opened up, and we're going to close the tailgate back up and take the old assembly out. Be right back with you. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to close the tailgate, and then up in there you're going to have to remove these clips. That green clip right there and that red one right there. That goes to your tailgate as far as making it open and close. Also guys, I want to point out some models, they do have a third bolt right there in the middle underneath that black trim. Alright, but once you get that removed, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Get these off, I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, take your flathead screwdriver, reach right up in there. Sometimes you can pop them out without using one, but obviously in the middle of the night like this, no salvage yards open, so, or no dealers open, so I don't want to break them. There's one side undone. Come on, buddy. Boy, this one's in there. Whoops. Knocked my light off here. Alright guys, we got this busted one out. This sucker's rusted like a mother. Let's grab the new one. There's the new one guys. Now we're just going to do the exact opposite and put the new one in. Now we got that clips on there. Now we can lower the tailgate back down, reinstall the bolts, and then we'll put the cover on. Let's see if we can get the tailgate to open with no bolts in it though. Reach in there manually and pull those down. Let's get these bolts back in there. Let's say there's 3 of them. Whoops. We'll get them in there. Alright guys. Good socket out there. Throw these last two back on there. Let's get the other one. That's what happens when they've been on for 20 years. Alright guys, let's close the tailgate up and we'll get that cover installed. Alright guys, it's very important when you do this cover not to break these tabs there on the back of this cover. These go down in the tailgate right there. Put that up real. These on this end go down in the holes, and then these pop up on the other side on the metal. It's very important don't break those, because otherwise you got to replace this whole thing again, and you definitely don't want to do that. And there's some little adhesive tape you just peel right off. It helps this stick to the back so it stays in place. So it's tacky foam tape. Just drop them in place, and then reach right up under. And there you go, guys. And that's how you install. And honestly, that opens better than the the factory one we took off. That was busted. That's how you reinstall your new tailgate handle assembly on your Chevy, GMCs, Tahoes. If y'all found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. It greatly helps me out and I greatly appreciate it. Please share the video if you felt it entertaining and useful. Y'all have a great day.